How to share a PowerPoint presentation as PDF to Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to PowerPoint. This is the home page. Now choose the document that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. And now go to the top here, click on this little icon and click on full document option. Now choose PDF and wait a few seconds. Now here you will find the Outlook. As you can see, swipe right until you find the Outlook icon right here. It's very easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.